Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford Ranger Super Crew. This is the Northwest Edition, 4x4. That is running like a champ, so I'll go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. Let's have the tow hooks up front to the fog lights and the XLT finish package. Painted alloy wheels. Tow hitch receiver. This one does have the Eco Boost. You do have additional power supplies back here, of which one of them is a 110, which is very cool. Here's your VIN right here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn the stereo down so you can hear me okay. Just come over here, you're gonna see that it has 16,257 miles on this vehicle. It's your cruise control, trip computer, and other toggles. Let's see, you got your stereo, your push to talk. So I just took it home right there. For audio, here are your sources: AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Here are your climate, phone, apps, and your settings. If you want to see the backup camera, you pop it in reverse. And it does have front and rear sensors and your camera guides. It does have two power sources up here. And then you have your USB sources down there. It's your automatic start stop, your trailing controls, 2- and 4-wheel drive. And over here you have your shifter with the Smart Select. And you come over here, you got your handbrake and your cup holders, more stowage, and then up here you have your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for the interior of this Ranger. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front and center. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.